Maya had always thought meditation and focus were mystical arts, reserved for monks or yogis. One day, she joined a workshop where the instructor asked everyone to place their attention on the sensation of their hands, the warmth, the cold, even the faint tingling behind their fingertips. At first, Maya laughed silently. Trance, energy, isn't this just feeling my hands? But as the exercise continued, she noticed something subtle yet profound. So, the key points is trance is universal. When you talk or deliberate on a topic, you normally go into a trance. Your memory is explored. From there only you speak, right? So you are in a trance. And trance is universal. It is not confined to me, some special person or something like that. Everyone is in kind of trance whenever attention is focused. Trance isn't mystical. It is simply where energy and awareness are direct. Your attention directs energy. Energy flows to wherever your attention flows. In this example, focusing on the hands or heat or cold behind fingernails creates a specific felt experience. You are not only focusing the sensation, but also experiencing it. So, some kind of observer and also the participant. So this is the duality state in a trance. This interplay enhances awareness and embodiment of the mind. By placing attention on the hands or subtle sensations, the mind enters a small specific cues, the act as actors, focus, and energy flow. In some exercises like breathing, visualization, these are some of the activities that will help energy to flow so that the participant becomes more receptive. In that experience, is amplified which we call as sound. Simple interpretation is trance is heightened focus and presence. Attention is energy when your focus physically or mentally level goes. That is when energy goes. All is focus and also builds and presence. Subtle techniques can trigger this state, especially when combined with energy warm-ups. So that was a clue how we simple exercises. It can be like a person who is in great trance. So one response is say just observe them in closer. So the voice from one previous focus to this particular. So in this focus, that is just wherever the focus moves, the energy flows. So we can experience how we can direct energy energetically. And I propose to hold your hands, your palms, just in front of each other. And after 5 minutes, you will see, you'll feel that the palms are being closed. That is called belief integration. So whatever thing is being suggested, that is heard by the subconscious and it directs your energy towards that only. So, in the heightened presence of your mind, something which is suggested actually happens. And there is one layer of your mind which opens up and shows you something which normally wouldn't have revealed to you. Try this exercise.